This is Greyton in the Overberg of South Africa. The fires have been burning for 8 days now. They've crossed over the mountain. This side is heading towards McGregor. There's a very well-known hiking path that goes from Greyton to McGregor. It's about 10:30 at night, and the black sky has suddenly lit up with flames. The mountains and foothills on this side have all burned over the last week. Of course, it's pitch black and you can't see them, but as the flames have gone over the mountain, this is what the skies look like in Greyton. Heading over the mountain on this side is the Robertson area. Please pray for the Overberg of South Africa. We desperately need rain. There are pretty strong drought conditions actually going into this time of fire. We need a miracle.